Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Veda. Today is kind of I don't want to say it's not spring cleaning because it is, but I usually do doorknobs and doors and stuff when I do a deep clean. So I haven't done them in a while, so I thought I would just kind of throw them into Veda. So I'm just gonna go around the apartment, wipe down the doors, the doorknobs, the light switches, and yeah, the only room I'm skipping is Dan's room because, like I said before, that is going to be a whole other video. Maybe 2 or 3. Heck, it might be 4. I don't know. But it's going to be a weekend job for us. So I'm just going to do everything in that room then. So I'm going to get started right at the front hallway. So let's get to it. Okay guys, that's it. Super short and sweet. Yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.